Good day, family and friends and my subscribers. Welcome once again to Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. You're here once again with your one and only Smokepot. Today we're going to be doing something real sexy and nice. And we'll be doing peppered steak today. All right. I'm going to be doing it very simple, so you can just follow along and see my way of doing it. So right here I got my steak, wash, cut all of that. And remember, depending on the type of steak you have in terms of the quality steak, it's gonna take more or less time. All right. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be adding a little black pepper, about a half teaspoon right there. I'm gonna be adding some chicken seasoning. I'm gonna be adding 1 teaspoon of the chicken seasoning. I'm gonna be adding a little all-purpose seasoning right here. Let's get so tight. Wow. All right, I'm gonna put half teaspoon of all-purpose right there. Pimento and thyme gives a beautiful flavor in steaks. So I'm gonna be putting just a little bit of pimento seeds. All right, half teaspoon. I'm also gonna put a little bit of garlic powder. I mix half teaspoon right there. And I'm gonna be putting a tablespoon of soy sauce. All right, that now I'm gonna just mix that up nicely and let that marinate for about an hour. Alright, in the meantime, let me turn my stove on. Because basically my method, I poured some olive oil in the pot and I turned it on. My method of doing pepper steak is really season your steak lightly, and then you're basically gonna be sauteing them, or you can basically say you're gonna fry them slowly, right? And you're gonna allow them to caramelize, allow them to get brown and nice. And after that, you start adding a little bit of water while it continues to cook. And as it continues to cook, and then you get it to that tenderness. And as I'm saying, depending on the age of the beef and the quality of the beef, then it's gonna be cooked, you know, quicker or less. All right, so I'm gonna add my steak to my oil. And we're just gonna let this sort of fry. Right, I'm gonna cover this pan. I'm gonna cover my pot and allow this to fry and get brown. And then I'm gonna flip it on the next side. And then as it continues to caramelize, I'll add some more liquid. You see me continue with the process, and I'll be back in a few. Yeah, my steak been frying, caramelizing for about 15 minutes. So I'm going to slowly, just gonna give it a little stir. You can hear the frizz and everything. Alright. Because it was covered, you aren't seeing it's getting as brown as fast, but as you can see, you look right there, you see it's getting brown. Alright. Just do a little toast to see if it's, give me a little more time. But when it's cut this fine, chances are your beef, if you have a nice cut of steak, you might get this finished in less than half an hour or so. So I'm going to leave this once again for a next, let me taste to make sure that we're getting somewhere. Yeah, that flavor is good. It's going to be needing a few more things. As you can see right here, I have my other ingredients. I have several type of bell pepper, orange, yellow, green, brown, red. I have some scallion, I have some thyme, and I'm also gonna put a little more garlic. And you can see right here, you know, I always put some type of liquor or something in my stews and in my steak. Right here, this is Grand Marnier. This works also because, as I'm saying, it carries a little sweet flavor that combats with the pepper and all of that. So I'm gonna give this 10 more minutes, and after that 10 minutes, then I'll be adding the rest of my seasoning, and then we'll be almost good to go. Yes, now additional 10 minutes that I've been in my steak, so approximately like about 25 minutes now. As I said before, you're just basically caramelizing it, you're getting it brown, and you can see right now it's very brown. So now I'm gonna put my last set of ingredients, and then we'll be good. So here I have my scallion right here. So we had our scallion, our thyme, we have some orange bell pepper. Right here I have some yellow and some green. And I also have some, to finish it up with the peppers, I have some red and some brown. Then I have some onions. Well, that would be enough. Make sure I get all of these all tied together. You can smell that seasoning coming out now, that onion. It's really broken up. Breaking up is coming out really nicely. It smells so good, guys. And as you can see, the color is right. And the beauty is just slowly coming out with the peppers being integrated. Now I'm gonna add, for all those who watch me know, I like putting a little ketchup in my steak sauce or my stews. So I'll put a little ketchup. And then last but not least, as I told you, I always put a little wine in my steak or my sauce. So this time I'm gonna be putting some Grand Marnier, alright? Not too much, I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons. Alright, it gives a nice kick and it gives a nice flavor, just like any other sweet one. Oh, that smell is, wow, that smell is off the charts. So this now, we're gonna give this just about 3 more minutes. And the next time you see me, I'm gonna be with my plate, getting ready to plate. And this today we're gonna be eating some yellow rice, or what they call Spanish rice, with a little salad on the side. So in the next 3 minutes, that's what I'll be doing. So catch it in. Okay guys, we reached that point or that moment where we're gonna be tasting our food. As you can see how it looks beautiful. All the peppers, different colors and everything. And as I said before, I'm gonna be serving this steak today with some yellow rice or Spanish rice, along with some salad. I basically have some spring mix, and I added some cherries and some prunes. Some prunes are soaked in some wine, and that's my salad. All right, so this is my plate. I'm gonna be adding my steak, and then we're gonna be taking a nice and you can see the multiple colors that's there. You know, the onions and the seasoning, the other peppers, they all standing out exactly where I want it. Put a next piece right here. And more pepper right here. Make sure it's colorful for you guys. Alright, so this is it. My peppered steak. let me put it down so you can take a nice look at it. Right here. That's my pepper steak served with yellow rice or Spanish rice, along with some spring mix that consists of some cherries and some prunes that's been marinated in some wine. So now I'm going to be doing my taste test as usual. I can smell it's like, and it's beautiful. I'm not sure where to start, but let's dig in, guys. Alright, I'm gonna go first for just some of the seasoning. I'm a guy, I love like onions. It's cooked properly. And bell peppers. I don't enjoy doing this to you guys. I really don't, but we'll have to do something soon to get most of my friends and subscribers to be a part of one of these meals that I'm doing. Just the season, that pepper and that onion, everything just comes together. That's so delicious right there, and I haven't added any of the meat yet. Let me get a little of the gravy, some of the yellow rice. The yellow rice, you can taste the butter, all the flavor popping out. I'm leaving the steak for last. It's a little of my salad. Okay, let me go to my steak right now. I can see you guys mouth right now. That cuts so easily, very tender. You get a taste. Right? Couldn't ask for a better pepper steak. It's very, very, very delicious. Everything complements each other. Very balanced meal. Alright, so remember, once again, this is Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. We're here doing our thing. Thanking you as usual for your support and your participation in terms of the comments. Continue to share the word and subscribe, share, like. Blessed and peace out.